Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you.
Hey guys, so we just arrived at our campsite. I don't know what it's called, I can't pronounce it, but it's really pretty, it's really nice. Raining, put up the tent and it's up. It started raining a little bit when we were putting it up, not that fun. We had a little walk around. I'm pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie. I think we're all pretty tired and we're kind of excited to just go have some food. We're gonna do some kayaking, maybe do a hike like today, tomorrow maybe. We just managed to steal a fire pit from over in the woods, lucky us, so we can have a fire tonight. So let's go check out the tent. Hey guys, so we went kayaking. It was really fun. I was really bad at it. Chris was showing off and splashing everyone. Got really soaking wet. Got the ass of my jeans soaked. And then we went and bought some really nice stone-baked pizza. Insert clip here. It's the following day. We've just pulled into a McDonald's drive-thru. We're very cold and very wet. It was a very long, cold night last night. Our tent started leaking. It was torrential rain all morning. So this morning we just had to get up, pack up all of our things as best we can. We're all very wet and hence me looking like a drowned rat. We've had a couple of snacks, but we're all pretty hungry. So we've stopped at McDonald's just to grab something to eat. Now, disclaimer, I literally haven't had McDonald's since way before I was vegan, probably like 5 years. So I recently read that the McDonald's vegetarian patties are actually vegan as long as you get them without the garlic sauce or the mayo and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna try it.
My experience in the tent was thoroughly damp. There was a drip that was constantly landing on my left temple, so it was less of a camping stay in Wales and more of a night of full-on Chinese water torture.